So today I will be teaching you about arcs, chords, secants, and tangents. To start this off, we should probably look at the formula, which is 2 times measure 1 equals measure 2. Measure 1 will be your angle inside of the triangle, which is inside of the circle. So basically, if you multiply that by 2, you will get the arc. So if you do 2 times 19, where 19 is the inside angle, you will get 38 as your arc, because that's what the formula is representing. So now you can try some on your own. You do the formula for the first two. The answers are there in case you didn't get the right thing, but you should have if you used the formula. So in this one we will be trying to find the outside arc within the circle. So to find that, we will need to use the formula arc equals 2 times the inner angle. So if the inner angle in this case is 80, then it will be 2x minus 15, which is the arc, equals 160. So at that point we just need to solve for x and then input the x value into the equation that will give you the arc that you need. So we can work on this one together. So we will start off as 60 is the inner angle and 2x minus 15 is the arc. So let's put that into the equation where 2 times the inner angle equals the arc. So 2x minus 15 equals 120. And after subtraction and dividing, we get to the point where x equals 52.5. Now we have to input that to get the arc. It will end up being 105 minus 15. That will equal out to be 90. That is our answer. So in this one we will be trying to get the midpoint of the circle, where the equation is the inside angle equals measure 1 plus measure 2 divided by 2. In this case, 42 is one of the inner angles. So we do 42 equals the first measure plus the second measure divided by 2. That will always get you your... So let's try this one together. We will use the equation inner angle equals measure 1 plus measure 2 divided by 2. So in this case it will be 43 as our inner angle equals 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 5 divided by 2, which will be our equation. So after that we get 43 equals 4x minus 8 divided by 2. So from then on we simplify. We get down to the point where x equals 23.5. After that point we need to insert x within each equation so we can get an answer. So for this one we will be trying to get the angle outside of the circle. So for this equation we will be using x as the angle outside of the circle equals measure 2 minus measure 1 divided by 2. We will work on this one together. So the data in the left hand corner will be inputted into our equation. So we will do x as the outer angle equals 50 minus 30 divided by 2. After that we can simplify down to x equals 10. After that our answer for the outside angle is 10. So for this one we will be trying to find the length of 2 lines within a circle. So for this we can use the equation c times d equals a times b. So for this one we can use our formula c times d equals a times b. So it will end up being 6 times 2 equals 4 times 3, which simplifies to 12 equals 12.